Hi Tari. Hello. Is there anyone here?
Oh, hi, Billy. I'm sorry. I didn't even notice you were here.
What are you doing? Why didn't you notice my existence?
Did I really set up? Watching Infanting Anna. I'm sorry.
Oh, I see. Wait, you were watching Inventing Anna. Is it the movie that's going viral right now?
Yeah, might be. Well, actually, it's a Netflix series and it's freaking rich.
Hari, is it right that she's the daughter of a noble from Germany?
No, it isn't. She's a homeless too at the moment.
Wait, I'm confused. You said that she were rich. So, how can she be called a homeless though?
Here, let me explain. So, in the first episode of Infanting Anna, as you know, she claimed herself as a noble from Germany, but you will get surprised. If you come to the next episode, you will know that she's just a homeless from Russia. Anna is a socialite class swindler.
Oh my god. Can't believe it. How can she do that?
I don't want to give you more spoilers. You better watch it yourself, okay?
Okay, I'll watch it later. Anyway, speaking of Russian, you once told me that you are Russian too, right?
I never said that. That's not right.
What? You said that you grew up in Russia since childhood.
Sorry, that's not exactly what I said.
So, which one is correct?
So, I was only born and grew up in Russia, and then I returned back to Indonesia when I entered junior high school because actually my mom and my father are Indonesian.
Ah, I see. Anyway, what do you think about the war between Russia and Ukraine?
I personally think that it's better for the war to stop because it took a lot of lives.
I agree with you. Glad to see from TikTok's video that there were people who brave speak harshly to the Russia side in the midst of war situation with Ukraine.
Oh yeah, I know that. If I'm not mistaken, they are the...
Are you sure they really dead?
Yes, there's no doubt about it. And if you still don't believe me, so go watch it yourself at television news.
Damn! No offense, Tari, but I hate Russia.
It's okay. I'm not really Russian after all, right?
Is it gonna rain today? I think it's time for me to go home, Tari.
Well, I'm not certain if it is going to be a rainy day. Perhaps you can stay a while and just continue watching the series with me.
That's very kind of you, but I couldn't say yes. My mom's waiting for me at home. Bye, Tari.
If it's like that, okay, you better go home now before it rains.